So here's a fan that I haven't seen too many of these on YouTube or anything like that. There are a couple. I don't really know too much about this fan or really much about the company behind it. It's labeled as a Cool Home fan. It is an all metal construction except for the speed switch knob. I've seen a couple of these on YouTube and maybe eBay, very similar to this, labeled as an international brand, and I've never heard of that either. So I don't really know much about these fans. I've heard people say they look sort of like Lakewoods, but I don't think they are, like rebadges. I'm not sure. But this one's a Cool Home. I haven't seen any other labeled like that before. I would guess this is probably a mid to late 60s fan, just judging by the all metal build and whatnot. It doesn't seem to have the original handle, or the original knob on there. The handle's original, but the knob, it looks like somebody stuck like a suction cup or something on there. I don't know, because you can't even read the speeds underneath it. This is a 2-speed fan, and funny thing is, the low speed, I can't get the low speed to work because the switch just won't switch down to low speed. It just won't click down for some reason. I haven't got into it. I haven't really taken the time to look into that. But for right now, I can really only run the fan on high speed. Let's turn this fan around here. Look at the back. This has a universal electric motor in it, which I'm not sure if the old Lascos from the 60s and maybe late 50s or whatnot had the same motor. I'm thinking they used these same universal electrics, I'm not sure, which makes me think maybe there's some similarity to the Galaxies of this era with this fan, but I'm not sure. It has two very easily accessed oil ports, the blades over top of that one, front and back right there. Motor's mounted on with a single brace that runs across the side there. Has a Venturi ring, and there's the little compartment for the switch or whatever. This is a pretty heavy fan. Pretty sturdy fan. One thing I find though is it's kind of I don't know, it takes a little while to get up to speed. I'm not sure if that's normal, but I'm assuming it is. The fan, cosmetically, not bad, but seen better days. I would suppose this came from apparently an auction at some point, as it says lot number on it. But that's my assumption anyways. I got this fan last year for about $5, and haven't used it a whole lot actually, but it seems like a pretty good fan. Really pushes the air. But before rambling on any further, I'm going to go ahead and just run the fan for you and let you see it on the only speed that I can get to work right now, which is high speed. So here we go. Building up to speed here. See, it's very kind of slow to get up to speed, but now we're up. We're moving air. a slight vibration to it. I don't think the camera can see that. But yeah, it's pretty good air. Alrighty. There's the spin down. Seems to be in pretty good health. But that's the Cool Home box fan. And yeah, I don't have much else to say on this one. So instead of dragging it out any further, hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching again. Comment, rate, whatever. Thanks guys.